This is the elevator at the administration building at Seton University in Greensburg, Pennsylvania. This is an 80s, 90s Dover Marshall impulse. Look how deep this is. Go up to 5. It's like a 90s impulse here, probably hydraulic. Whoa, that was weird. That's an odd buzz. Oh, it's relay controlled, I see. Yeah, it's relay controlled. How odd. You know, it's from the 90s. You're at 5. Back down to 1. The bell already rang. 8A phone, it's like crooked. Interesting configuration there. I got a side door and then this front door, 2-speed. Fairly nice and basic at the same time. Got a brass. Ceiling panels are missing. Flickered there. I think 3B stands for 3 balcony. That's the chapel. And that's St. Joseph's Hall. Here, back at 1.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.